natural ways to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads fast. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main elements of a person's beauty. One sure way to have healthy and picture-perfect skin is to take care of it every day. We here at Brightside have compiled a list of some of the best remedies that will help you to naturally remove blackheads and whiteheads from your nose and face. Lemon plus honey plus sugar. Cut a lemon in half and pour enough honey to cover the cut surface of the lemon. Then sprinkle the lemon half with 2 pinches of sugar. It is better to use cane sugar, and gently massage the problem areas with this natural sponge in a circular motion. Repeat the procedure no more than once a week. Vaseline plus plastic wrap. The best time to use this trick is right after the shower, because the heat from the water will have opened your pores. Begin by applying Vaseline to the affected area that needs to be treated. Once you have finished with it, place the plastic wrap over the Vaseline. With the wrap still in place, apply a hot towel and let it sit until it cools back down to room temperature. Then use a tissue to remove any excess Vaseline from your face, and gently squeeze the skin where the blackheads are clogging your pores to remove them. The dirt should be pushed out very easily. Finally, wipe a cotton pad soaked in lotion over your skin. Do this procedure once or twice a month. Coconut oil plus essential oils in a jar. Slightly soften 1/4 cup of coconut oil. 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave should do it. Then combine the coconut oil with 10 drops of lemon, lavender, and tea tree oils, and stir well until smooth. Use a cotton ball to apply the solution to your skin in the morning and evening after washing your face. The mixture should be stored in a sealed jar at room temperature. Cinnamon plus oat flour. Mix a teaspoon of oat flour with the same amount of cinnamon powder. Add a little warm water and stir well. The mixture should be the consistency of very thick cream. Gently apply this mixture with your fingertips in a circular motion on your face. Scrub for about 1 minute, and then wash your face thoroughly with cold water. Note please, cinnamon may cause a tingling sensation when applied on the skin, but it will disappear after washing the face. This trick should be used no more than twice a month. Activated charcoal plus green clay. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon of green clay, and 1/2 teaspoon of warm water together. Mix well until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Apply the mask to your face with a sponge or brush. Let the mask sit for a few minutes until it dries completely, then rinse off well with cold water. If you do this procedure once or twice a week, it should be enough to enjoy clean pores most of the time. Coconut oil plus coffee grounds. Combine 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Put it into the microwave to warm up slightly first, with 1/2 cup of fresh coffee grounds. Use some of the mixture immediately, and gently massage your face with circular motions. After scrubbing, leave the mixture on your face for 5 minutes, then use cold water to wash it off thoroughly. Repeat the procedure once a week. Divide the remaining mixture into muffin tins or ice cube trays, and put into a freezer. Oatmeal plus honey plus yogurt plus olive oil. Place 1/4 cup of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a food processor, and blend until well combined. Apply the mixture to your clean face, scrubbing in a circular motion for 1-2 minutes. Then wash off with warm water. If you have extremely sensitive skin that seems to be irritated by scrubbing, don't scrub. Just use the mixture as a facial mask, and leave it on your skin for about 5-7 minutes. Use this trick once or twice a week. Sugar plus honey plus olive oil plus vanilla extract. Combine 1/4 cup of white sugar with 1/4 cup of brown sugar in a bowl and mix. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil and stir well. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir all the ingredients well until smooth, and use this mixture to scrub any problem areas. Rinse off with warm water. Use this remedy once a week. Store in an airtight jar at room temperature.